No, that was too much.
All right. Trying again.
Yep. Turn it off. Turn it back on, try again. We're getting like no values on the X, like very little. Right now we're like 100% on the Y.
All right. I'm gonna switch off, trying again.
All right.
Forward and back, forward and back, forward and back, left, right, 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 forward, back, forward, back, forward, back, forward, back.
X, you're good. Keep it on though,
Oh,
because
okay.
it's gotta run through the calc.
All right. Forward, back, forward, back, forward, back, forward, back, forward, back, left, right, 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 forward, back, forward, back, forward, back, forward, back, forward, back, left, right, left, right, left, right.
Oh man, it's like we had it that one time.
All right. Let me try
Yeah,
again. All right.
just don't be like too wild with it. I think that's what's going on. I'll tell you when to stop jerking it so it can just try and stabilize itself. Because right now you're 78 on both sides, which is good. And then, all right, turn it off. Okay, 239 and 265.
All right.
So that was good.
But we want under
Yeah.
200.
Yep. And then let's just leave it on this time until it goes.
Forward, back,
Yep.
forward, back, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, forward, back, forward, back, forward, back, forward, back, left, right, left, right.
The Y is on 66, the X is on 100.
Flip it, or flip the switch.
No, that wasn't a good one. So try again. Zero on the X, 100% on the Y. It didn't like it that time.
All right, flipped it, trying again.
66%, zero on the Y. Try and do both. Yep, 78, 76%. 80 and 100. All right, let it go. It says flow count no better scalar origin. So stop it and try again.
All right. Cut it off or no?
Yeah, cut it off.
Let me take a look at the top cover.
Yep, nothing's coming off.
Let me just.
Motors disarmed.
All right, let's go.
Back at it again.
Yep.
Motors armed.
Jitterbug.
Initiate. Yep. %100% on the X, 30%, 38% on the Y. All right, slow it down. It's going 100 and then 96% on the Y. Come on. Stuck on the Y. It's not going up though. Yeah,
Still.
the calibration is either stuck or not moving.
All right, trying it again.
40, 30%. 82 and 54 on the Y. 100% on the X. Y 68. Samples collected. Flip it off. Scalar 0.200 low. Samples collected. No better scalar. Try it one more time.
I would have to think there's some sort of sensor malfunction at this point we're experiencing, no? I mean,
Could be. 100% on the X, 80% on the Y.
I think I might need to give good old Joe a visit and pick up that HereFlow. We're getting another optical flow sensor in as well, so be on the lookout for that.
Yeah, it's not even getting us values. It'll like say like flow no better scalar. We did get some good attempts, but I think it's a luck thing. So
All right, let's try again.
yeah, let's try it a lower altitude, like you were like right here. $74 on the X, 56 on the Y. No better scalar. It gave up, so maybe it was too jerky that time.
All right.
Nice and slow. Yep. This is good. Both kind of even right now. Nope. No better scalar. I've mentioned that, but
There's just, I don't think any
Yeah.
way that's,
cut the calibration. No better scalar. You want to see if it runs? Or probably not here.
I mean, I don't mind as I back up.
Yeah.
Hey, Brian, just keep your wits about you. If you need to ditch the camera, ditch the camera.
Oh, nope.
Damn, we weren't far enough ahead for it to give Brian a,
All right, just
Good
one more
chase.
try.
yep.
Try it. Calibrate. A little higher maybe this time. Let's go. We tried lower, right?
I think right about there. I mean,
Okay.
Hold on. This throttle stick isn't exactly centered the best, so it will float up and down a little bit.
See if it likes the green color better. Or like away from the lines.
Does Developer Mini even see color?
Nope. Give it one more go. You're going too much on the Y, not enough on the X.
All right, hold on. Just started it over.
It's pretty even. No. Turn it off. Man, there was
Battery
one.
level 1 alert.
There was
The
one
one
decent
attempt that
attempt.
We
Yeah.
should have tried it out then. But
Yeah.
Battery level 1 alert.
yeah.
Yeah, it's saying too low.
All right, is that all she wrote, you think?
I think so. I got no.
You've failed us one too many times, Developer Mini. Well, it's not even really Developer Mini. We're gonna blame it all on the HereFlow until we can prove otherwise, right?
I
The-
think so.
The HereFlow is guilty until proven innocent. All right.
So, Yeah.
Back to the drawing board, so to speak, and really we're getting a new replacement optical flow sensor. Holybro, the company that makes the Pixhawk flight controllers we use in these Develop Air Mini and the larger Develop Air models, the Pixhawk 6C and the larger Develop Air models, the 6C Mini and these Develop Air Mini. They also make a optical flow sensor, about $50 more expensive. I think $80 for the HereFlow versus $120, $130 for the Holybro equivalent, but it should allow us to replace this rangefinder that was about $100 or more, not available for purchase. They have newer versions, but long story short, we ought to replace both of these sensors with one. So smaller form factor, actually cheaper, all said and done, and should hopefully have better performance than what we've seen out of this HereFlow, at least as of late. But if you have any comments, questions, concerns, leave them down in the comment section below. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Peace. All right, we're back out here with the Develop Air Mini with the HereFlow and Terra Ranger sensor. We're going to give it one more try with this HereFlow unit before we quote unquote give up on it and move on to another sensor, either another HereFlow that one of our advisors has or another type of optical flow sensor on the way. But we cleaned the lenses as kind of a last ditch sort of option or resolution, if you will, and let's give it a shot, right, and see if we can get a good calibration.
Yep.
All right, back away from the vehicle.
Motors armed.
Those back arms get a little more shaky.
All right. It's got an Elvis shaky leg, a shaky arm.
As long as it doesn't fly toward me.
Yeah, we'll have it fly towards Brian. No worries.
Oh god, this is trying to sign me into OneDrive. Go ahead and
Calibrate it.
shoot for it. 28 on the X, 60 on the X, 86% on the Y. Go ahead and cancel it. Yep. Try again. Not any better.
It looks like we have a hardware failure on our hands, despite all of the disbelief wanting to make that not the case.
Cut it off. Ooh, that's within range.
Is it? What are we at?
Negative 199 and 122.
All right, let's give it a shot. So, gonna move it away. Brian, be ready to be quick on your feet. No. it was coming after you. Oh no, that was totally on action.
Okay.
It's coming right for us. Stop resisting. We're gonna try it again, or do we think that's gonna be all she wrote for today? Nice and
Try it one more time. But it is extremely weird how it just takes off like that. Yeah, it said no better scalar, so it's basically saying it didn't do a better calibration this time and keeping the old one. So you can try it again. Just it didn't like the X value. Yeah, no better.
all right, that's it.
That's it.
We're bringing her home, ladies and gentlemen. She's disappointed us for the last time.
Motors disarmed.
All right, well, next time you see this Develop Air Mini, it will have a new sensor one way or the other, whether it's another HereFlow or a Holybro optical flow sensor, yet to be determined. We'll see which arrives first. But thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Peace.